Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a WordPress portfolio. First, you will need to choose a reliable hosting provider and install WordPress. Many hosts offer one-click installations, making this step quite simple. Next, select a portfolio-focused theme or a powerful page builder like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Finally, install essential plugins to enhance your site's functionality and design, ensuring a smooth creative process. Now, let's focus on your content. Each project page should feature high-quality visuals that truly showcase your best work. Write clear, concise descriptions for every portfolio item, highlighting your role and the project's impact. Consider adding a brief case study for more complex projects. Organizing your work into logical categories will also help visitors easily navigate and find what they are looking for. With your content ready, it is time to design your portfolio's layout. Customize your chosen theme's appearance to perfectly match your personal brand or business identity. Optimize all images for fast loading times and maximum visual appeal. Large files can slow your site down. Crucially, ensure your portfolio is fully responsive, looking great and functioning perfectly on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, it is time to launch and share your incredible work. Before going live, meticulously review all content, links, and functionality to catch any errors. Implement basic search engine optimization techniques, like using relevant keywords, to help people find your portfolio. Then, actively share your new site across social media, professional networks, and any other relevant platforms to attract visitors and potential clients.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.